Broadcasting tonight and every tonight, the Hogans slammed. I would guess that no body slam Hulk Hogan ever received in the wrestling ring can even come close to matching the pain that he's feeling right about now. Tonight, there is a dramatic new attack on the Hulk and his wife because of the terrible car accident their son got into that nearly killed someone. This is just the latest body blow to the Hogans as they also struggle with a very troubling divorce. Once upon a time, the family of wrestling star Hulk Hogan was a cute, supportive clan who starred in one of VH1's most popular reality shows, Hogan Knows Best.
When will the house be done?
I don't know, and I don't care.
But now, Showbiz Tonight can tell you the Hogan family's life looks less like a reality show and more like a horror show. Not only are Hulk and his wife of 23 years, Linda, in the middle of a divorce that's bloodier than anything Hulk ever faced in the ring.
It's on him all the time. Wow!
The family now has to deal with a potentially multi-million-dollar lawsuit from this devastating car accident that has their son Nick facing criminal charges.
Everything just seemed to start to unravel, and the family just is being torn apart.
It all stems from this horrific car crash in Florida last August. Police say Hulk's son Nick was racing another car when he lost control and hit a tree. Nick, who was wearing a seatbelt, wasn't seriously hurt. But his passenger, Iraq War veteran John Graziano, was not wearing a seatbelt. He was critically injured.
He is still hospitalized, and this guy is never going to have the same life he used to have.
Attorneys for Graziano have filed this lawsuit against Hulk Hogan, whose real name is Terry Bollea, his estranged wife Linda, and Nick.
It talks about the fact that the Hogan parents knew that Nick liked to race cars, that they were encouraging him to race cars, that both of the vehicles involved in this crash were owned by the Hogan family.
Hulk himself told Showbiz Tonight about his son's love of cars.
My son has always messed with cars and motors, and he wanted to start driving.
But now, Hulk is denying that he bought his son booze the day of the crash. Nick isn't charged with DUI, but he is charged with reckless driving involving serious bodily injury. Just 2 weeks after Nick's arrest last November, Linda filed for divorce from Hulk Hogan, saying their marriage was irretrievably broken. Their legal battle has not been pretty.
There's a lot of mud being slung around here. There's about $10 million that the couple is fighting over.
And now, this family that once lived in the public eye is in danger of being torn apart in the public eye. I gotta say, it really blows our mind to think how far and fast the Hogan family has fallen. Joining me tonight from Hollywood, Jane Velez Mitchell, investigative journalist and author of the book Secrets Can Be Murder. Joining us in New York tonight, Howard Bragman, founder of 15 Minutes Public Relations. And Howard, I want to start out with you. You have this brand new lawsuit from the car crash. You have the Hogans getting divorced. You got their children right there in the middle of this nasty fight. Are you like me? Do you just find it amazing how the Hogans have really turned into this tragic family?
You know, these things don't happen overnight. All of a sudden it made the news overnight, and when the crack in the dam went, the whole thing exploded. But these are problems that have probably been going on a long time, and we just didn't know about it. And the way the celebrity world is today, there's an avalanche now, and you got to feel bad for them, because these are really, really sad things. Almost everybody in America has gone through a divorce, either themselves or in their families, and we've all had kids do things that we're probably not proud of. So this is a painful time, and my heart goes out to them.
Yeah, me too. And I don't know the other members of the family. I've met Hulk a few times, and man, what a nice guy.
Yeah.
I hate watching him go through this. The Hogans are not taking this lawsuit against them over their son's car crash lying down, and Hulk's wife, Linda, released this statement from her divorce attorney. That's who put the statement out, saying, quote, Linda Bollea has great compassion for the Graziano family. During this time of crisis, she has provided emotional, physical, and financial support to the family. She has visited with John Graziano on a regular basis. The future record will reveal that she has no business being named in this lawsuit. Jane Velez Mitchell, help me out here. Do you at all find it strange that it was Linda's divorce attorney who issued this statement regarding a lawsuit having nothing to do with the divorce? Is it really just, I don't know, kind of symbolic of how Linda continues to distance herself from Hulk?
It is totally symbolic of the rift and the fact that she wants to distance herself. They're at war over the millions that are at stake in this divorce. They're at war over this lawsuit. And I think what Linda's trying to say is, my parenting is not Hulk Hogan's parenting. I'm not involved with this car father-son stuff. I mean, this lawsuit makes serious allegations that Hulk Hogan knew of his son's propensity to speed and allowed it and encouraged it and allowed him to drive a souped-up car. And the most serious allegation, which he fiercely denies, that he allowed him to drink on the day of the crash. And what Linda's saying is, I'm not involved with any of that stuff. That's father-son stuff. Leave me out of that.
Of course, image, everything to a guy like Hulk. We know him as a legendary wrestler, star of the family's reality show Hogan Knows Best. Most recently, he was hosting the popular TV show American Gladiators. Howard, what do you think, as a PR guy particularly, you know, this is some nasty stuff going on with him. So are people starting to think differently of Hulk? Could this actually hurt his career?
No, his career's in fine shape. I mean, the guy's not the governor of a state, for example. He's not the host of Meet the Press. We like Hulk Hogan because he's a big physical guy, and his career is going to be fine. And in the world we live in, celebrities can have transgressions and get over them, and we have a whole show about that, don't we, almost every day here. And these celebrities seem to get almost bigger after they get over a tough time in their life. So I've known Terry a long time, and he's going to come out just fine.
Nice to hear you saying that, because obviously he is such an icon. I think he will transcend all of this. Last week, the Hogan's 19-year-old daughter, Brooke, talking about this. She's writing on her MySpace page about the obvious emotional toll that her parents' split has taken on her. We know Nick's caught up in the middle of it as well. Jane, really sadly, it's just another classic story of kids being devastated by divorce.
Yes, absolutely, and I think it's very healthy that she's processing this by talking about it, kind of the talking cure, even if it is on a blog. And I have a lot of compassion for this family, but I will say that I think that the kids are mostly the victim of the parents' mentality. It takes a certain type of mentality to put your entire family on a reality TV show. Yeah. Family is supposed to be sacred, and when you commoditize it, this is the kind of blowback you're likely to get.
Yeah, I mean, these things just never seem to work out, putting your family on TV. Jane Velez Mitchell, Howard Bragman, I thank you both. And I want to let you know that you can now watch video reports from Showbiz Tonight.